Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in medical school. Start by embracing active recall, which means testing yourself frequently rather than just rereading notes. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify your memory. Focus on truly understanding complex concepts before attempting to memorize specific details, as this builds a stronger foundation for clinical application. To actively engage with material, create your own flashcards for critical terms and intricate processes. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. This reveals areas where your understanding is weak. Consistently solving practice questions is also vital, as it helps you identify knowledge gaps and become familiar with exam formats, improving your test-taking skills. Effective time management is crucial. Allocate specific, dedicated study blocks for each subject every day to ensure comprehensive coverage. Leverage high-yield resources such as extensive question banks and concise review books, which are designed to focus on essential information. Prioritize topics based on their importance and how heavily they are weighted on your exams, ensuring you spend your valuable time wisely. Remember that your well-being directly impacts your study effectiveness. Maintain a balanced lifestyle, ensuring you get adequate sleep and proper nutrition. Incorporate short, regular breaks during your study sessions to prevent mental fatigue and improve focus. Most importantly, stay consistent with your study schedule. Small, regular efforts over time yield far greater results than sporadic, intense cramming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.